The benefits of woodworking. Woodworking is a great way to express your creativity and make something unique. It can also be a stress-relieving activity that helps you relax and unwind. There are many benefits to woodworking, including 1. You can create something beautiful and unique. 2. Woodworking is a great stress reliever. 3. It's a relaxing activity that can help you unwind after a long day. 4. You'll learn new skills and boost your confidence. 5. Woodworking is great for mental and physical health. The necessary tools for woodworking. In order to get started with woodworking, you will need a few tools. First, you will need a saw. There are many different types of saws available on the market, so it is important to choose one that is best suited for the type of woodworking you plan on doing. A jigsaw is a good all-purpose saw that can be used for cutting curves and straight lines. Next, you will need a drill. This is an essential tool for any woodworker, as it allows you to create holes in the wood for screws or nails. You can choose between a corded or cordless drill, depending on your needs. Finally, you will need some sort of clamps to hold the piece of wood you are working on in place. There are many different types and sizes of clamps available, so it is important to select the ones that are best suited for the project you are working on. How to get started with woodworking. Assuming you have zero experience in woodworking, here are some basic steps to get started. 1. Choose your project. First and foremost, you need to pick a project that interests you. This will help ensure that you stick with it and don't get discouraged. There are tons of resources online and in libraries to help you find ideas and plans. Asterisk 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 asterisk. Special offer. How to get started with woodworking. You can download the entire Ted's Woodworking 16,000 plans package and all the bonuses right now. Plus you'll get the option of getting everything on DVDs. You can be going through all the plans in just a few minutes from now. Experience the joy, the satisfaction, to know with 100% certainty that your project will turn out exactly the way you want it to look. It's an incredible feeling. Being able to wake up on a Saturday morning and get to work on your project with absolute confidence it will turn out right. I want you to have that. Start here. Asterisk 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 asterisk. 2. Gather your tools and materials. Once you have a project in mind, you'll need to gather the tools and materials required. Again, there are many resources available to help with this step. Once you have everything you need, set up a workspace in a well-ventilated area. 3. Start slow and be patient. It's important not to bite off more than you can chew when starting out in woodworking. Take your time and be patient. Mistakes will happen, but they can be fixed, and often result in learning something new. With practice, you'll get better and better at woodworking. Woodworking projects for beginners. If you're new to woodworking, these projects are a great way to get started. They're simple, yet still require all the skills necessary to complete them successfully. 1. A simple box. This project is perfect for those just starting out. It's a straightforward build that will teach you the basics of working with wood. 2. A jewelry box. This project is a bit more advanced, but still within the realm of possibility for beginners. It will teach you how to work with small pieces and create a beautiful finished product. 3. A toy chest. This project is perfect for those with kids, or grandkids. It's a fun way to get them involved in your hobby while also making them something they can use and enjoy for years to come. Conclusion. Woodworking is a great way to express your creativity and make something beautiful. With the right tools, knowledge, and practice, anyone can become an expert woodworker. We hope this guide has provided you with all the information you need to begin your woodworking journey. No matter what type of project you're working on now or intend to take on in the future, we wish you success in all of your creative endeavors. Happy crafting!